Alright guys, so 100 foot-pounds on this bad boy right here. Alright, there you go. 100 foot-pounds. Alright guys, so now we got everything all installed. Caliper, the rotor, the hub is good. The pilot bolt right there is good. Now we're gonna torque the nut. That's the last piece of the puzzle that we're gonna do. Torque that nut, and then we'll put the wheel back on. Alright, we're gonna torque this axle nut. 245 foot-pounds on this one. First we're gonna clean that up. Okay, make sure it's nice and clean. Alright, a little bit of anti-seize in here. 245 foot-pounds, guys. Here we go. Make sure to lock the wheel. Make sure to have the angle of the wheel more to the right. Lock the wheel so it won't move on us. I'm gonna bottom it out first. Alright, look at this. It's all the way to the top, almost. This thing maxed to 250. So now it's on 245. Let's go. Double check. One more. There we go. 245 foot-pounds. It's all ready to go. It's done. Wow. Double check. Make sure the shield is not hitting the rotor. Make sure it's pushed out. Torque spec that 2 bolts right there for the caliper to knuckle. 4 hub bearings is good. CV axle is tight. Check your speed sensor. That 10 mil is good, tight. Axle nut, spindle nut, and then the pilot bearing looks good. Alright, let's put the wheel back on. Torque the lug nuts to spec. That's it. This is on the pilot, replacing the hub bearing. You can just see the struggle that I got taking out that old hub. Wow, that was tough repair. So give me a thumbs up, subscribe. See you guys again on our next one.